silly crocodile can't sleep. In a green, shiny jungle, by a wide, sparkling river, there lived a funny crocodile named Coco. Coco was not like other crocodiles. He didn't like to scare animals or hide in the water. He loved to laugh, play, and make friends. But Coco had one big problem. Every night, when the moon came up and the stars twinkled in the sky, Coco just couldn't sleep. He rolled on his leafy bed. He even tried covering his eyes with his tail. But nothing worked. "Oh dear, my eyes are still open," Coco sighed. Owl first friend the owl. Coco waddled to a tall tree where his friend, the owl, was wide awake. "Owl, I can't sleep. What should I do?" asked Coco. Ollie flapped his wings and said, When I can't sleep, I count the stars in the sky. Try that." Coco lay down and looked up. 1, 2, 3, 4, oh no. There are too many, I'll never finish counting. Coco's head started spinning, and he gave up. Monkey's second friend, Mimi the monkey. Next, Coco found Mimi the monkey, who was swinging happily from vine to vine. "Mimi, I can't sleep. Do you know what can help?" asked Coco. Mimi giggled. "Easy, just swing on the vines until you're super tired. Then you'll fall asleep right away." Coco climbed up and started swinging. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. It was fun, but instead of feeling sleepy, Coco felt dizzy and almost fell into the river. "Nope, that didn't work either," Coco groaned. Hippopotamus' third friend, Henry the hippo. Coco walked slowly to the riverbank, where Henry the hippo was already snoring loudly. "Henry," Coco whispered, "how do you sleep so easily?" Henry yawned and said sleepily, "I always take a big warm bath in the river before bed. Try it." So Coco splashed into the water. He floated, kicked, and even blew bubbles. It was relaxing, but after the bath, guess what? Coco was still wide awake. "Oh no, I'll never sleep," he said sadly. The magical firefly. Just then, a tiny light flickered in the dark. It was Luna the firefly, glowing like a little star. "Coco, why are you awake when everyone else is dreaming?" asked Luna softly. "I tried everything, counting stars, swinging, even taking a bath, but I still can't sleep," Coco cried. Luna smiled. "You don't need to try so hard, Coco. You just need a bedtime story." Milky Way the bedtime story. Luna sat on a flower and began to tell a gentle story. Once upon a time, a tiny golden fish was lost in the big blue ocean. He swam past corals, shells, and friendly dolphins, searching for home. Finally, he followed the glowing light of the moon, and it led him safely back to his family. The fish learned that no matter how far you go, love will always guide you home. Her voice was calm and magical. Coco's eyes grew heavy. His body felt warm and safe. Before Luna could even finish, Coco let out a big yawn. "Awzizizizizi." The silly crocodile was fast asleep at last. Glowing star happy ending. From that night on, whenever Coco couldn't sleep, Luna the firefly told him a new story. Sometimes about brave little birds, sometimes about kind giants, and sometimes about magical rainbows. And Coco learned that the sweetest dreams always begin with a gentle bedtime story.